Hey, Divine One, I'm so happy this found you. Today, I'm sharing with you an inner child oracle card reading. I normally do these on my other page, but this collective really needed this one today, is what I'm hearing. And so, I have a really beautiful message for your inner child based off of my inner child oracle cards. So, if you feel like this is for you, stick around, listen for the message, take a big deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. This one I'm feeling has a lot to do with relationships or a situation that you've been enmeshed in for a while. The very first card I got was Ulf Anchor. And when Ulf comes up, he's saying it's really important to anchor into yourself and your way of doing things. He comes up when you don't really know you never really learn to ground into yourself as a child, and you're really needing to anchor in because there's maybe some things up in the air, a storm swirling around you, some chaos or uncomfortable energy. And when Ulf is here, he's saying, anchor into the earth, anchor into yourself, and you will never be swayed by the storm. And backing him up, we have Jordan next, who is inner authority. And her important message is tapping fully into yourself, not conforming, not rebelling, but getting really clear on what your soul's truth is. She's here to be kind of a backbone for you. So there might be something you're not saying or doing. And Jordan's really here to say, straighten up, strengthen your backbone, don't rebel, don't conform, but honor the truth of your own heart and say what you need to say. Luna comes up next, which is why I thought this might be about a relationship, because when she comes up reversed, she's saying there's somebody in your life that you're not allowing to do things their way, and it's important for you to step back and trust that their way is best for them. And it might be scary, right? It might be creating a lot of chaos in your life. It might be creating a need for you to anchor into yourself, because Tristan Abandonment is saying your inner child might be scared that if you say the things and if you let them do things their way, you might be scared that they're going to leave or abandon you. And your inner child needs to know that no matter who is there, no matter what is present, that you will never abandon yourself. So going into your inner child and saying, I will never abandon you. And at the same time, by showing you my commitment, I'm going to trust that this person can do what honors them. Trust that I have the inner authority to do that. And also that I can anchor into myself. Everything's going to be easier. And Flow is our last card, and Flow is here to teach you to honor your emotions, that you can trust your internal navigation system, that as you feel and open to all the things you're feeling, they'll actually move right through you. You won't compress or compound them by circling around them, but instead let them flow through you and trust that whatever happens is meant to happen. So take a big deep breath, plan on miracles, and let me know if this resonates with you.